Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel, The Smoking Beard. Today, I will be showing you a couple of hidden features on my 2025 Toyota Camry XSE that you might not be aware of. But before we continue, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button to keep up with the latest and greatest from my channel. Now, I call these hidden features because they were not obvious to me when I first got the car. Some of the internet trolls will be quick to chime in and say these are not hidden features. But if you are someone who just bought your first Toyota, these may be new to you. Hidden feature number one is remote start. Did you know that your Toyota Camry has remote start? And no, it's not a dedicated button on your key fob. Apparently, this hidden trick is not new to those who have owned Toyotas in the past. You can remote start your car by pressing the lock button 3 times and holding it down on the third press for a couple of seconds. The lights will flash and your car will turn on. Did you know that your car is listening to you at all times? Check out this 2025 Toyota Camry. It's voice activated. I'll give you an example. Hey Google. Hey Alexa. Okay Google. Hey Bixby. Hey Toyota. Isn't that crazy? Cancel. Not only that, you're driving down the street and you need directions somewhere, but you want to keep your hands on the wheel, you'll do certain things like this. Hey Toyota, give me directions to Six Flags Fiesta, Texas.
I found Six Flags Fiesta, Texas. Would you like to go now?
Yes.
Calculating route to Six Flags Fiesta, Texas.
Hey Toyota, cancel navigation.
Canceling trip.
We're going to go back 35
Hey Toyota,
years to this week.
lower volume 4 times.
Belted out his heartache.
Hey Toyota, raise volume 5 times. Hey Toyota, mute radio.
Muting audio.
Isn't that crazy? Can you imagine all the other things you can do with this? And it's not Bixby, it's not Google or Alexa, it's Hey Toyota. Crazy, huh?